Hi everyone.
Hi. We're back. So today is What Are You Making Wednesdays? So Juliana had a really great idea. I'm going to show them. Yesterday she came downstairs to me and said, "Mom, I made a hair diffuser, a bow, what do you call it?
Hair clip diffuser.
Hair clip diffuser. I couldn't get the words right. So I thought it was a really cute idea. Go ahead, you tell them what you did.
So Go ahead. I got like ribbon. I made it into a bow, and then I got these little rose things. Where did it go? Here. Okay. I got these little rose things, and they suck in the oils. So then I put lavender in the rose, and then I added a clip to the back, and now it's a hair clip diffuser.
So you can smell good, and like if your kids had a test that day or just were feeling nervous at school, you could put like some lavender or whatever oil that they chose or liked, they could put on the rose in the middle to do it. So she's going to show you how to make one. We had another idea.
There's bows too.
So we want to take it a little step further. So we made the bow already. Here's the bow. And go ahead, G. Show them how to do it. Hi, Hallie. Okay.
So make sure you have adult supervision, and here are the things that you need. You need a bow, like ribbon, or you can use an already made bow, a puff ball or one of these roses or bows, this glue, and a clip.
Okay.
And also scissors.
Okay. All right. So show us how to make the bow.
So you take the bow, you get the clip.
Well, do I put the glue on the clip?
And then you have the glue. I open it because it doesn't work. I need something to get it out. Please get something to get it out. I need something to get it out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you grab this. Mine doesn't work when you squeeze it out. So I just put this ear thing. And Q-tip. And I put it on the clip, and just right here.
Well, you're going to actually put it down a little bit more. Yeah, there you go.
Smear it out a little bit, and then you're going to glue it.
We're going to slip the middle. Yeah, open it.
You're going to open the clip, and you're going to glue it on to the back of the bow. And then you're going to take your puffball or your bow. We're using a puffball because it looks more stylish. And
it'll absorb the oil better too. So you could also use hot glue, but she wanted to do this with the tacky glue. So
jewelry glue.
It's called tacky glue. That's fine. Hi, Caroline.
Hi.
Hi, Erin. Okay. Oh. Other side. Don't put it on the wrong side.
And then you're going to take the puffball with the glue and put it on the front, and you're going to push it on for about 10 or 5 seconds, and then you're going to take your oil. Which would you use? The Gentle Baby,
which smells really great, or
lavender. And then I'm using Gentle Baby for this bow.
There's Nanny. Say hi,
Nanny. Hi, Nanny. You're going to take the Gentle Baby and put 1 drop of it inside the puff ball.
There you go. You could probably put 2 drops.
Okay. 2 drops in, and now you just have to let it dry for a couple hours.
And then look how cute.
The bow's
Super
done.
Cute.
Smells good too.
Thank you, Juliana.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh, and how you know that the glue is dry is because if it's white, it's not dry. But if it's clear like that, it is dry.
Ah. I think she's going to be taking over my job soon.
Yes, I will.
Okay, so we are out of our downstairs hand soap, and I wanted to share with you how to make it a summer blend that we like to use in our house. I'm going to just move some of your stuff, G, so we don't get soap on it. So first you take your cast style soap, like so. Now, of course, you may not have a giant one like this. You can get it from Target, and that's totally fine too. I fill it up about 1/4 of the way up the bottle of whatever soap dispenser you're using. If you're using citrus, it needs to be glass. What we're using today is not citrus, but we do have a glass one. That's about 1/4 of the way up the bottle. So this is for doing foaming hand soap. Okay, G.
Make sure you like this video and also please comment down below gentle baby or lavender. What you like better.
Okay. Do you want to put 10 drops of lemongrass? So
yes.
Today we're going to use lemongrass and lavender together. It's a really nice scent together. Lavender is just really great for your hands, and lemongrass has a lot of cleaning power in it, and it smells really great too. You can do just lemongrass by itself, or you can actually even do just lavender hand soap if you wanted to by itself.
And then how many drops of lavender?
We're gonna do how about 7?
Okay.
So we did 10 drops of lemongrass, and now we're gonna do
Hallie.
7 of lavender. Perfect. So that's our scent to our soap and will help with the cleaning properties. Now we want something to keep our hands nice and moist. So this is the vitamin E. This is great for your hands. You're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E. And I get this just at Amazon. In the winter, I usually use the thieves oil, but because that's the winter and the fall, because that's a nice cinnamony scent and it also has a great cleaning power. And then in the summer, I like to freshen it up with something more summery. So you're also going to use 1/2 teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. If you don't have vegetable glycerin, it's not a big deal. It really just helps keep the hands nice and, like I said, soft, moisturized. So it's not a must, but if you're noticing that your hands are drying out from your soap, then you'll want to get it, and you can just get that on Amazon. And then we're going to fill up the glass bottle with our distilled water. So be careful. You could use tap water, or you can use distilled, and then you just want to leave room for the cap to go in. So that's probably about good.
And it isn't hot water, by the way.
No. So you put it on, and then your foaming hand soap is good to go with a nice summery scent.
If you're just joining, like and choose lavender or gentle baby.
For the hair diffuser. If you haven't seen the whole thing, make sure you watch it from the beginning on the replay, because Juliana's going to show you how to make some really cute hair diffuser bows. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.
Bye!